Spelling words for how Tia Lola came to visit stay. Suffixes less, ment, ness. Remember to complete your Reading Street Notebook, page 411 and 416. All right, let's get started. Countless is an adjective. Too many to be counted, very many. In a sentence, there are countless amounts of stars in space. Payment is a noun. The action or process of paying someone or something or of being paid. In a sentence, the payment is due on Friday. Goodness is a verb. The quality of being morally good or virtuous. In a sentence, my goodness shows in all my kind deeds. Fairness is a noun. Impartial and just treatment or behavior without favoritism or discrimination. In a sentence, treat each team member with fairness. Hopeless is an adjective. Feeling or causing despair about something. In a sentence, even a big problem isn't hopeless. Treatment is a noun. Medicinal care given to a patient for an illness or injury. In a sentence, a cold treatment made me feel much better. Statement is a noun. A definite or clear expression of something in speech or writing. In a sentence, that statement is true. Breathless is an adjective, gasping for air, typically due to exertion. In a sentence, the runner was breathless at the end of the race. Restless is an adjective of a person or animal unable to rest or relax as a result of anxiety or boredom. In a sentence, the toddler was so restless that he couldn't sit still. Enjoyment is a noun, the state or process of taking pleasure in something. In a sentence, I get a lot of enjoyment from reading books. Pavement is a noun, any paved area or surface. In a sentence, the road crew put new pavement on the street. Flawless is a noun, without any blemishes or imperfections, perfect. In a sentence, the gymnast performed a flawless routine. Tireless is an adjective, having or showing great effort or energy. In a sentence, gold miners are tireless workers. Amazement is a noun, a feeling of great surprise or wonder. In a sentence, I stared at, let's change that to at. That should say at. I stared at the tightrope walker with amazement. Amused is a noun, the state or experience of finding something funny. In a sentence, the child watched the clown with amusement. Greatness is a noun, the quality of being great, distinguished, or eminent. In a sentence, many people knew of the athlete's greatness. Punishment is a noun, the infliction or imposition of a penalty as retribution for an offense. So in better, easier words, when you do something wrong, this is the consequent, a punishment. In a sentence, the punishment for speeding in your car is $100 ticket. Timeless is an adjective. Non-affected by the passage of time or changes in fashion. In a sentence, most folk tales are timeless stories. Needless is an adjective of something bad, unnecessary, avoidable. In a sentence, it is needless to clean up before playing football. So basically, you don't need to take a shower before you go out and roll in the mud. It would be pointless or needless. Painless is an adjective, not causing or suffering physical pain. In a sentence, getting a shot can be painless for some people. Announcement is a noun, a public or typical formal statement about a fact, occurrence, or intention. In a sentence, listen carefully for the morning announcement. Appointment is a noun, an arrangement to meet someone at a particular time and place. In a sentence, be on time for your doctor's appointment. Requirement is a noun, a thing that is needed or wanted. In a sentence, it is a requirement to follow all the rules, the school rules. It is a requirement to follow school rules. Awkwardness is a noun, the quality of being awkward. In a sentence, his awkwardness kept him from joining the team. And finally, the last one, I'm going to move this down quickly. Expressionless is an adjective of a person's face or voice, not conveying any emotion, unemotional. In a sentence, Nan's face was expressionless when she lost.